Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to leave Viber group. So if you leave or once you leave, you will no longer receive messages from the group and the group will disappear from your chat list. So what you're going to do is you have to open the Viber and go to the chats tab. You can scroll or search for the group that you want to leave. So for example, I want to leave from this group. I have to tap on the name of the group right here, which is cleaners. Now, once I tap this group or tap the group chat to open, I can now scroll down and then look for the leave and delete. So here is the leave and delete. You can see it below right here, and all you have to do is to tap that one. Once you tap this, then you will see this message that says if you delete this conversation, you will also leave the group and will stop receiving related messages. Would you like to mute instead? Tap on mute if you want, but tap on leave and delete in order for you to leave the group. You could also tap on cancel if you want. So basically, that's it. You can now leave, and as you can see, you will no longer see the chat list or group members here. Now, here's the thing. Once you have deleted that or once you have exited the group, it will be deleted from your list and other members will see you left the group. So once you leave a group, you cannot view past messages unless re-added. If you are the group admin, someone else may be assigned admin rights automatically. You can always rejoin the group if it's public or if someone re-invites you. And that's how easy it is to leave a Viber group. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.